Grand Rising gods and goddesses, welcome to my channel, Ace Fab. As you already know, I'm your girl, Divina Bey. So I want to jump right into today's topic. Today we're talking about the birth certificate and the social security card. Those are two key aspects of being a slave. So having a birth certificate makes you a slave. Having a social security card makes you a slave. Going to a plantation every day makes you a slave. Don't feel bad. I was once there too, as far as the whole going to the plantation thing. So let's talk about your birth certificate. So your birth certificate is ultimately a document that's traded on the stock exchange market. The DTC, if you're familiar with them at all, your birth certificate is ultimately a piece of paper that you claim. Now, if you want to just do some type of fact checking, go to CRM 1508. Again, that's Criminal Resource Manual, CRM 1508. It gives some brief information about the birth certificate. Ultimately, what it's saying is that the birth certificate is obviously not meant to identify you. It's meant to identify the person who claims such a document. Furthermore, it goes on to say that the nationality card or the national identity card is the prime means for which a person establishes their identity here in the United States. However, because most people don't have a nationality card, because this de facto government is not allowed to issue nationality cards, then as a backup, you have a birth certificate, you have a driver's license, or you have a state ID. Now, the driver's license is ultimately, I'm not going to say fraud, but it's really just used to say that you are an employee who's driving on these roads. You have permission to drive on these roads. I personally exercise my right to travel, so I don't use a driver's license. I have a traveler's card, a nationality card. They're pretty much the same. I do have two separate cards just because it's easier to explain to the policy enforcers. They lack comprehension and they don't really know the laws to per se enforce them. But a driver's license is not something that I use simply because I'm not doing commerce. Driving is a commercial activity, so I don't participate in that commercial activity. A state ID is ultimately used as a backup in a sense if you don't get a driver's license. Or if you're unable to get a driver's license, like some con artists, they have a non-driver's license. So they're not able to participate in commerce even if they wanted to. So most definitely look into that. Know what your birth certificate is, know what your state ID is, and know what your driver's license is. Furthermore, study. Research is the key. Knowledge is power. So definitely Criminal Resource Manual, section 1508. Excuse me. It speaks about specifically mentioned identification documents. With those identification documents, of course, the birth certificate is the first thing on the list. It's A. The next thing would be the driver's license. After that would be the state ID. So if you want to just read it and reread it and reread it, feel free to do so. Definitely knowing the difference between all of those documents and what they really mean per Congress makes a lot and all the difference. I'm here in Arizona and it's crazy because they are accusing me of being a corporation, which is absurd. I've never heard of anything like it, but it's fraud that these crooks participate in. I had a commissioner threaten to reprimand me. I'm not even sure what that means because I don't comprehend those words. There's a lot of fraud going on in the States. Furthermore, I'm kind of switching gears, but the amount of fraud going on in the States is just absurd. I've honestly, like I said, I've never seen anything like it. It's outlandish. The level of comprehension is very low for Americans in the States to the fact that they're unaware that they're even committing fraud. However, if you run into any issues, always seek your attorney general. and just let them know what's going on. Go speak to the mayor, speak to the governor, just let them know your situation, and you know, just move forward from there. I am accepting new clients as of right now. I have a lot of stuff on my plate, but I am accepting new clients. And then the 2 people that I had to reschedule consultation calls with, much gratitude for being able to reschedule that. So I will go ahead and get in contact with you within the next 2 days for that rescheduled consultation. So I do appreciate you. On a different note, I'm definitely now a part of a temple. So we do have a course that I'm partnering with my temple, ultimately to just get more individuals educated. We have a course that's available. You can sign up through me. Go to www.aconfab.com, schedule your consultation. Obviously, to schedule a consultation, it doesn't cost anything to schedule that consultation, but to actually have that consultation with me, that is where the fee comes in. Now, it is $100. It's 100 Federal Reserve notes for this consultation. Now, in this hour of a consultation, feel free to pick my brain, ask any questions that you may have. However, please keep in mind, I'm not a licensed attorney or tax expert. All the information that I am providing is for entertainment and educational purposes only, okay? Because this is pure entertainment. I don't have to watch the television to have entertainment in my life. It's just as simple as that. Furthermore, my clients keep me well entertained. So I just want to thank y'all for coming here, watching my channel, all my clients, shout out to y'all. Everybody that's a part of this team, we are building our empire up. I had someone ask me how they can join a Moorish community. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure what that is. I know that I'm a part of a temple. I know that there are other Moors in the temple. If you would like to join a Moorish community, I'm sure there's like some type of Facebook group for that. I'm not necessarily a part of a Moorish community. I'm not really sure what that means. I have my own team. I have my own community. And I have my own group of individuals that I, collectively speak with. Like I said, I am a part of a temple. I am partnering with another entity as well. However, I'm not ready to quite put that out yet. However, there are a bunch of benefits with that partner. That's more so towards the women. I mean, men are also, you guys are allowed to join as well. However, it's geared more towards women. It's something like a membership for groceries and other household items that are more eco-friendly. Something like, I want to say like a Costco or Sam's membership. However, it's a $20 membership where you can purchase eco-friendly products that are less expensive. The company that manufactures the products, they actually do everything here in the States. Everything is American made. They sell their own products. They manufacture their own products. So it's a cool little membership to have. I'm definitely a part of that team as well. So I have a membership with them as well. And I will be moving forward, just, testing out their products and just, letting y'all know the products and everything like that and how it works. Everything is eco-friendly. It's vegan. It's just more safe for the environment per se. But I am going to be partnering up with them here soon to get that advertising for them or get that going for them. All of my clients, they will be a part of that as well. And they'll get about $10 off on that membership. So it'll be $10 for all of my current clients, and it'll be $20 for any newcomers. Like I said, I'm just doing so many different things. I'm building an app. Well, not really building it, but coming up with more so the layout for this app that I have for my team. Like I said, I'm doing so many different things. I will be updating my website soon. I can't really think of anything else at the moment. Like I said, ultimately this video was just kind of to cover the basis of a birth certificate and a social security card. The Social Security account number is actually what it is. It's a Social Security account number. So if you look at your Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, any of your account numbers are 9 digits, similar to your Social Security number. It is a private number, so technically you're not supposed to give it out. However, when employers ask for that information, or even slide you a piece of paper that says to provide that information, then you willingly provide it. I'm unsure of why, because everyone knows that it is a private account number. I mean, if I were to just walk up to you and give you a piece of paper and say, hey, put your social, first name, last name, and date of birth and address, I mean, you know, that's what you would do. It's weird. But again, neither here nor there. Again, having that social makes you a slave. Now, due to me being Divina Bey, I am who I am. I'm a business owner, so I don't even own a social security number. I own an EIN. And that EIN allows me to provide services for other businesses, whatever they may need. So definitely, if you don't have an EIN, I would go ahead and get one. They're free, www.irs.gov. Go there if you need a consultation to learn how, or to walk through on how to get that set up. I'm more than happy to do that as well. Just make sure to put some type of that information in the description box, or just make sure to put it somewhere. So I'll know how much time I need to have dedicated to you for this process. Again, the EIN, gaining an EIN, it's not a hard process. It's fairly easy. However, my time is energy. And so if you're going to need my time, I'm going to need your energy. It's just as simple as that. I want to thank, again, everybody on A's Confab team. I want to shout out all the members in the temple. And I want to shout out to Leslie, who I will be partnering with very soon. Thank you for joining me here on A's Confab, and we will talk to you next time.